Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add Google font in your website using CSS. Let's get started. First of all, I will create a new file here. Let's name it Google font. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure you put the HTML extension. Now let's open the file using a code editor. I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever code editor you want. And here I'll put the HTML5 boilerplate code and change the title to Google font. And here on the body, we're gonna use an example tag. For example, H1, we are using Google font. So later we will apply Google font on this H1 tag. Now let's open this file using a browser, Google Chrome in this case. As you can see, it is not using any Google font right now. It is just using a default font from your PC, which is not looking very nice. So let's use a Google font for this H1 tag. To do that, you'll have to go to the fonts.google.com, and here you'll have to find our desired font. I'm gonna use Poppins and then click get font, get embed code. Here you will see two options. One is link, another is import. I'm gonna do it through link tag. So make sure you selected link tag, then copy the code. And now let's get back to our editor. Now we'll have to put the copied code inside this head tag. So let's put right after the title. Now let's format it a little bit. We have added the Google font. Now we'll have to apply the CSS so that this H1 tag or everything between the body text take the Google font. To add the CSS, you can create a new external file, but I'm not gonna do that because it is just one line of CSS. So I will add the CSS inside the head tag. Let's do it. Let's create style tag and let's close it. Here we'll use the font. We'll apply the font in the entire body of the website. So everything in the body tag will take the Google font. So here we'll have to use font family, and then the name of the font that we are using is Poppins. You can check the instructions here. So you'll have to just do it. Font family Poppins and then sans-serif. Let's just copy it from here and let's put it here. This is the let me explain a little bit. This is the main font. If for some reason the website cannot, the HTML file cannot take this font, it will use sans-serif, which is a default font from your PC. So it's a fallback font. Now let's check the file in our browser again. Let's refresh it. Yeah, you can see the font is changed. If you inspect it, you'll see the font is Poppins. And that's it. You have successfully added Google font in your website using CSS. If the video is useful to you, please make sure you like the video and please subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.